In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Podia account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access your creator dashboard, handle verification on a new device, and check your active sessions for extra security. First, open your web browser and go to the Podia login page for creators. This is the dedicated sign-in page for people who run products, courses, or memberships on Podia. If you're starting from the main Podia site, look for the Log In option and make sure you're choosing the Creator login, not a student or customer page. Once you're on the correct screen, you'll see fields for your email address and password. Type in the email you used for your Podia Creator account and your password, then click Log In. Take a moment to double-check for typos. Make sure caps lock isn't on and that you're using the correct email, especially if you have more than one. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to let it fill in your saved credentials to avoid mistakes. If you're logging in from a new device or a new location, Podia may ask for a verification code before letting you in. This extra step is a security measure to confirm it's really you. The code is typically sent to your email. Open your inbox, find the message with the verification code, and enter it exactly as shown. These codes can be time-sensitive, so try to use it promptly. Never share verification codes with anyone. Treat them like a key to your account. On that same verification screen, you might see an option labeled Trust this device. If you check this box, Podia will remember your device, and you won't need to verify it again for up to 30 days. Only select this on devices you control, like your personal computer or phone. Skip it on shared or public computers to keep your account secure. Once you're logged in, you'll land in your creator dashboard. From here, you can review your current logins by going to Account, then Sessions. This page shows your active sessions across devices. It's a great way to confirm where you're signed in and to spot anything that looks unfamiliar. If you see a session you don't recognize or no longer need, you can manage it right from this screen and end it, helping keep your account clean and secure. That's it. You've reached the login page, signed in, handled verification when needed, and checked your active sessions. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.